We've identified a high-grade vein here, and this is where it all begins.
Jinx spät.
According to the scanner, this vein could be exceptionally rich.
Blast points aligned. Safety first. Safety checks complete. Let's proceed.
Blast executed. Rock is ready for excavation. Load full, load full. Transport to processing plant immediately.
Visible gold traces. Quality looks excellent.
All trucks loaded. Proceed with caution.
Ore secured on conveyor. Legend, no spillage.
Crusher set at optimal pressure for minimal waste. Look at these high-grade pieces, promising yield.
Coordination is key. Everything moves smoothly.
Batch weighs perfectly. Ready for processing. All equipment passed inspection. Safety approved.
Even the smallest traces are valuable.
Multiple veins under excavation more open. Efficiency is key.
Load complete. Off to the crusher.
All measurements logged for processing optimization.
Yes, good height.
Environmental controls active. Dust suppressed. Team, synchronize loaders and trucks at trio. Keep workflow steady.
Flow consistent, no blockages.
This batch will be analyzed for purity and gold content.
Transport route clear. Keep speed safe.
Crusher pressure monitored. No machine strain.
Particle size perfect to inching, ready for washing.
Water separation removes unwanted rocks.
Concentrate looks promising, at a high purity expected.
Particle distribution is consistent, excellent quality.
All batches ready. Log next stage awaits. The mine is alive. Every operation perfectly coordinated.
Truck loaded. Proceed to the crushing area.
All ore placed properly, no spillage.
Flow Steadin Ha'u, ready for crushing.
Crusher set at optimal pressure 2, rock size uniform.
Water separation removes impurities efficiently.
Particle separation complete now. Quality maintained. Concentrate looks promising, seeing purity high. Let's analyze for gold percentage before smelting.
These flecks are the start of pure gold bars. Batch ready for smelting. Furnace preheated.
Temperature stable style, melting gold perfectly.
Pouring carefully. No spillage allowed. Bars cooled to perfect hardness.
Color rich, weight accurate. 缺点 quality approved.
Polished bars ready for assay and shipment.
Purity confirmed at 99.99% scent. Exceptional yield.
Traceability guaranteed. Official record kept.
Secure loading complete. Sorry, shipment ready.
All shipments documented, ready for distribution.
Leaching solution active, gold will separate from ore.
Consistent mixing ensures maximum recovery. Consistent mixing ensures maximum recovery.
Purity looks excellent, almost ready for smelting. All particles captured, nothing lost. Batch quality verified, ready for melting.
All batches aligned for smelting. Temperature stable, purity maintained. Each bar poured perfectly per VIN. No waste allowed. Cooling complete. Bars ready for inspection.
All bars meet quality standards. Exceptional purity confirmed.
Refining begins. Lane. Impurities removed for pure gold.
All impurities carefully skimmed, purity guaranteed.
Each pour must be precise. Perfect shape required. Cooling complete. Bars ready for finishing.
Polished uniform pine listening. Reflective surface flawless.
Bar color rich. Surface smooth. Andang pruned. Premium quality achieved.
Serial confirmed, fully traceable.
Bars meet exact standards, ready for packaging. Logo perfect. Evans. Authenticity guaranteed.
Logo perfect. Lido permit. Authenticity guaranteed.
Secure packaging complete delivered, ready for storage or shipment.
All cases loaded, route to secure storage.
All logs complete. Full traceability ensured.
All bars secured. SOP'd. Storage verified.
Every process monitored, fulfilled. excellence maintained.
Purity, 99.99% confirmed. Exceptional yield.
Bars transported carefully. Presentation is crucial. Shine flawless. Okay. Quality unmistakable.
Coating even to yield. Protects during transport.
Everything perfectly positioned for light, ready for shipment.
Labels confirmed, traceable, and accurate.
All scanned. 3. Inventory complete.
Security verified, case ready for shipment.
Security verified. Case ready for shipment.
Automation ensures zero human error.
Transport monitored. Route secure.
All systems normal. Real-time monitoring active.
Each bar tells its own story. Precision, wealth, value.
These bars are certified 99.99% pure.
Yes, and percent by percent. Yeah, much 9%.
Each batch meticulously tracked, nothing left to chance. Gold mining process complete, from ore to investment-grade bars.
All bars delivered safely.
Ready for display.
Handle with care, and Yudong-hun. Display must be flawless. Presentation highlights purity and craftsmanship. Certified and authentic, each one unique.
This bar is 99.99% pure alpha, an investment and luxury item.
Well ahead.
Packaging matches the exclusivity of the product.
Smooth, flawless, perfect craftsmanship.
Each bar tells a story of precision, effort, and luxury.
Enjoyed the journey? Subscribe and follow us for more behind-the-scenes luxury processes.
Gold mining process complete, from deep in the earth to luxury display.